Welcome back, HARBRO, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, those prices. Today we're gonna do our first dive into the parking lot sale, and we're gonna do all Icon and Quinn sockets. Which ones are the best ones? What you should grab? Just do an overview. If you find this useful, please consider liking and subscribing and hyping. And let's just jump right in. A few things to housekeep. New tools, new green mini soft pick and hook set 4-piece. If you want to just take a flyer, no discount really, go buy these $20 the new green icon alert pick sets. It wouldn't be mad at you. $20, get your free gift, and you'll be one of the first people who have the new green icon pick set. And I didn't know they didn't have metallic green available for the Super Duty. Are they just putting it up again? Anyways, new tools, Hercules alert, but the new icon green pick set mini saw says it's available in Lake Forest, which is pretty far, but pretty cool. So let's look at Icon Quinn sockets. Now, we did have this sale about 6 months ago. It was exactly 6 months ago, but it was 40% off all socket sets, Icon Quinn and Pittsburgh. So the change is it's 5% less, and it does no longer includes Pittsburgh, which there was some cool Pittsburgh sockets. But still, we love Icon, we love Quinn, and I do believe that clickable ad only included the socket sets, not the ratchet sets. So we'll focus on the socket sets, starting with the Quinn 1/2-inch SAE and Metric Master Impact socket set, $180 for the 1/2-inch. And then this one we'll look at $85, normally $99. This is what we talked about at a few of our last videos. It's on instant savings. So this is why we're starting here. The 3/8-inch drive SAE Metric Master Impact socket set, 48-piece, is normally $100, but it's on instant savings. So it's already $15 less. And we'll just do the calculator already at $85, and then at only 35% off, we're getting it down to $55.25. Reminder, parking lot sale starts Monday, March 2nd for ITC through March 5th, only for ITC. So that means this instant savings for the Quinn Master Impact socket set, which goes on through March 5th, will only be possible deal with ITC if you're ITC. And that'll get it down to $55. So saving, what is that, 45% off the original price. Not much has changed since the last 6 months, which if you got this 6 months ago, was still a deal. It was 40% off of $100, so you still got it down to $60. So you're saving an extra almost $5 with this deal, but still, that's in the ballpark. Both great deals. This one's slightly better. So this is the key one that you want to get there compared to Milwaukee. Heat-treated chrome, molybdenum. I think I struggled with that last time. Fully impact rated to withstand use with all impact tools. Coating black phosphate. Points of contact 6. 20 impact sockets. 20 deep impact sockets. Some extensions. Some wobble. This is probably going to be the best deal out of the set. For the 1/2-inch at $180, no discount, but you will get it at 35% off. Get it down to $117, which is still over $60 worth of savings. And it's a 61-piece set. Both of these are lifetime warranty and both great options to go with. This one is compared to Capri Tools, and this is listed at $250, but a nice set nonetheless. Then we go to Icon. We have our 1/2-inch drive SAE Impact Swivel socket set, 14-piece, available in Metric and SAE, same price, just one less piece. For the Metric, premium impact swivel sockets have a free moving universal joint for easy access for hard to reach nuts and bolts. Of course, compared to Snap-on, and these at $140, and they get them down sub $100, save almost $50. Save almost $50 on these, coming in at $91, both for SAE or Metric. Then, of course, similar, these are the 3/8-inch drive, 6-point SAE or Metric swivel socket set, 12-piece and 10-piece respectively, both $115. So getting more material for SAE, but of course, just depending what you're working on. Both 115, both compared to Snap-on, and at 35% off, getting these down to $74.75. So saving roughly $40. Again, premium impact swivel sockets have free moving universal joint for easy access to hard to reach nuts and bolts. Great discount, $40 off. Again, choice of SAE or metric. And we will check out these 1/4-inch drive metric professional universal joint. These are shallow sockets with just the universal joint, 11-piece for the metric, 6-piece for SAE. They are both premium shallow sockets, have a double pivot joint that swivels up for 75 degrees, up to 75 degrees for easy access to hard to reach nuts and bolts. SAE, you have the 9/16, 1/2 inch, 7/16, 3/8, 5/16, and 1/4 inch. So not as many options. And the metric goes from 5, 5.5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 at 130 though. So for the 1/4-inch metric, we're at 130, 35% off, getting it down about $45, down to $84. And then for the SAE, which is already nicely priced at $69.99, get that down to $45. So saving $25. Solid for the 6-piece. And we do have the Quinn 1-inch drive SAE and metric truck service impact set at $112, $113. Rugged impact sockets are built for 1-inch drive, high torque, large anvil impact wrenches. Ideal for hard use on large trucks, heavy equipment, or farm machinery. So when it says SAE and metric, shallow, this is 10 pieces, 7/8 inch or 22 millimeters, 15/16 inch or 24 millimeters. 1 inch is a 25 millimeter, 1 3/16 is a 30, 1.5 inch is a 38 millimeter deep wall, 1/16 inch, 27 millimeter, 1 1/8 inch, 29, 1 1/4 inch, 32 millimeters, and the square bud, 13/16 inch, 21 millimeters. And you get a good view here of what comes in the 10-piece set. And this is at $113. Get these down to $73. So saving $40. $40 on this Quinn 1-inch drive SAE metric truck service impact set. We will look at this one. This is just the 1-inch drive metric impact socket set, 10-piece. This is available in SAE or metric. Heat-treated chrome moly steel to withstand high force impact drivers. And these are both $100, and they're both 10 pieces, surprisingly. And at $100, we don't have to do the math, and we can do the math in our heads. 35% off, which is $35 off. 10-piece set here for the SAE. Then, of course, the 10-piece set here for the metric. Nice looking sockets. And again, $35 off for those. Get them down to $65. And actually, I've forgotten to uninclude Pittsburgh. I just wanted to compare it to last year's. We are only looking at Quinn and Icon. So here's our first bit. Here's the bit socket set, which was part of last year's. And if I do say so myself, this is a nice set. Any of the HARBROs pick up this set compared to Capri Tools durable master bit socket set, constructed from heat-treated chrome vanadium and S2 steel to withstand frequent use and high torque work. Some of these look like they're high vis. $100 compared to Capri Tools. I believe these are all lifetime warranty. And same thing at $100, 35% off. You're gonna get these for $35 off. Get them for $65. 87-piece set, master bit socket set from Quinn. And of course, the 3/4 inch drive SAE deep impact socket set, 8-piece. SAE's $80. Metric is also an 8-piece and also at $80. Impact sockets are constructed from premium heat-treated chrome moly steel to withstand high force of impact drivers. And they come with a nice looking case holder, 8 pieces. Here's the SAE from 13/16 up to 1.5 inch. And then the metric from 21 skips to 24, skips to 26, 27, 29, 30, 32, and 38. The HARBROs will know more about the skips and how valuable those are. But both at $80 and both at the 35% discount, get them to for $52. Save about $30, almost $30 savings on the 3/4 inch drive deep metric and SAE deep impact socket sets, both 8 pieces. And here we're coming back to Icon. These are the 1/2-inch drive metric professional deep impact socket set, 14 piece, $69.99. Well priced. Both the SAE and metric, let's see, both 13 pieces. Correction, SAE is 13 pieces, metric is 14 pieces. But they are both $69.99. Premium deep impact socket sets. These are 1/2-inch. Keep the fastener near the end of the socket for more efficient work. 6-point, of course, lifetime guarantee. And at $70, 35% off. Getting both of these for $45. So saving $25 on the 1/2-inch drive, either metric or SAE. Then getting to our first or our second, the Quinn bit set was a unique tool. But here we have the Icon multi-spline screw extractor set at 25 piece and a 15 piece. The 15 piece at $50, 25 piece at $69. So we'll check both. And then these are both lifetime warranty. So if any of these break on you as you're trying to get out a stubborn bolt, they're lifetime warranty. Go in and exchange it. Get it down to $45 for the 25 piece set, $45, saving $25. And then of course for the 15 piece, which will probably do the work, you're at $50. Get down to $32.50. Great deal. Still a great deal. Save almost $20. Then we're getting into the 1/2-inch drive SAE professional deep socket non-impact 6-point design for maximum torque, chamfered socket openings for quicker fastening engagement, and a thin wall design for easy access on difficult fasteners. It's a 1/2-inch drive available in SAE 13 piece or metric, also 13 piece and also $60. And at $60, get it down to $39. $39 for a professional socket set. Great, $21 off. And that's for both SAE and metric 1/2-inch deep socket set, non-impact. We continue. Here's the Icon 3/8-inch drive SAE professional crowfoot wrench set. Now these throw me off. They're included in the socket set. I believe they were included last time, but they're just not the obvious socket set. Here we are, $60 for the SAE 11 piece. And in metric, it's a 10 piece, so one less, but same price. Crowfoot wrench set, fits into tight areas, grips hard to reach fastener. So both $60. It'll be the same discount at 35% off, getting it for $39. So saving just over $20 on the 3/8-inch crowfoot wrench set, 10 piece and 11 piece for SAE and metric. And then similar idea, Icon definitely has a lot of options here. 1/2-inch drive professional impact socket set, not deep. 3/8 drive professional deep impact socket set, $55. 1/2-inch drive professional shallow socket set at $53. Back to Quinn, the 3/4-inch drive impact socket set starting at $50. And we will look at the Icon 3/8-inch drive oil filter sockets, 7 piece. Again, compared to Snap-on, quickly and easily remove and replace cartridge style oil and fuel filters on popular domestic, European, and Asian vehicles at $50. Good kit to have. 7-piece oil filter set, labeled on the outside, beautiful case. Great for storage. And at $50, getting down to $32, $32.50. So again, great deal. Even though it's not 40%, 35% off is still a great deal. Here we have the 3/8-inch drive professional socket extension set, 6 piece. And this is available in 3 sizes, the 1/4-inch. 1/4-inch, also 6 piece, $35. 3/8 inch up to $40. And then the 1/2-inch is a 5-piece set. So just a heads up, 5-piece set, and that's up to $45. Heat treated chrome moly steel, durable polished chrome finish, of course, corrosion resistant at $45. Get the 1/2-inch down to just sub $30, so $29.25, saving $16. The 3/8-inch 6-piece, get down to $26. And then the 1/4-inch 6-piece getting down to $22.75. If you don't have a socket extension set, and that's what you're looking for, this is a great option. And then of course, Quinn 1/2-inch drive low profile impact socket set, Icon 3/8 drive professional semi deep socket set, chrome finish. Icon has a 3/8-inch drive professional triple square impact bit socket set, a 9-piece starting at $40. And the Icon 3/8" drive professional impact socket set. Here's the Icon 1/2" drive professional impact socket extension set 4-piece. It's only 1/2". Premium heat treated chrome moly steel durable black phosphate finish. 4-piece and at $40, but at 35% off, get it down to $26. Then we have a Torx socket set. This is the 1/4", 3/8", and 1/2" drive professional deep E-Torx socket set 13-piece, $40. And you see what this looks like. Premium sockets are made with deep chamfered openings, easy engagement, and male Torx fasteners. $40, all 3 sizes. 35% off, get it down to $26. Wobble socket extension set 7-piece. I'm getting to some Quinn, the 3/4" drive impact socket adapter extension set 5-piece at $40. Icon long ball hex bit socket sets options, 3/8" options here. The long ball and then the long hex bit sets. Icon's 3/8" drive professional impact socket extension set 4-piece. Quinn's 3/4" drive socket accessory kit. Rugged socket adapter and extension kit offers a full assortment of accessories, a universal joint 3/4" female by 1/2" male adapter, and 3 extensions 4, 6, and 8. So variety of options here for your socket adapters and extension kits from Quinn. This is $35. Get that down to $22.75. Gives you a lot of options. And we go to page 2, and we'll just peruse through these 1/4", 3/8" drive professional Torx bit socket set from Icon 12-piece. We will look at this. This is a separate option from Icon. It's the bolt extractor set. Has a fluted design to grab and remove strip, rusted, and painted fasteners. $30 for the metric 9-piece. $30 for the 9-piece SAE. These also have a lifetime warranty. So already a great price at $30. But get them down an extra 35%. Get them for sub $20, $19.50 for the 3/8" drive Quinn bolt extractor set, 9-piece. So great option there. Icon 1/4" shallow socket set option. 1/2" drive impact socket set from Quinn. Some super long extension set from Icon, $25. It's a 3-piece, chrome vanadium steel, polished, decent storage. At $25, get them down to $16.25. So almost a $10 savings. And then an assortment of the Quinn drive chrome deep socket sets. 1/2" drive chrome socket set. 3/8" drive deep socket set. And these are already well priced, between $13 and $20. You can make out like a bandit from Harbor Freight if you're trying to keep the prices relatively low, from 1/4", 3/8" regular to deep socket sets. They have the nice color finishes for easy identification. And then the last one, if you haven't gotten it in past sales, is the Icon professional 10mm socket set 4-piece. It includes professional quality 10mm shallow and deep sockets for every type of job, 1/4" and 3/8", and that's at $10. Of course, 35% off, gets down to $6.50. And those are all the sockets. Icon, Quinn, what are you missing from your toolbox, from your mechanic's cart? Let me know what you're gonna get. Again, the crazy deal is the Quinn 3/8" drive. $85 already, get it down to $55. Deepest discount that I've seen, even compared to the last parking lot sale 6 months ago. But I'll leave it at that. Happy Harbor Freighting. Happy shopping. Give me your thoughts. Give the Harbros your thoughts. Good luck out there. Get your free gift if you haven't gotten it. And as soon as I have some more deals, get your green Icon pick set. It's okay to pay full price sometimes. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your